Passive income is the holy grail of finance. But here's the truth. Most people don't say out loud. Most passive income is not passive. It's just a job with better branding. AI is changing that equation. We're entering a new phase, where you don't just build businesses. You build systems that run without you. Set it once. Automate it. Let it run 24/7. Here are 7 AI side hustles that get you closer to that reality. Side hustle 1. Automated niche newsletter. A simple idea with powerful execution. Pick a niche like AI in finance or health trends. Then send a weekly email digest that people actually want to read. Use Beehive as your base. Now automate the research with Perplexity AI plus Zapier. Every day, AI finds top stories, then summarizes them, then drops them into a draft. Once a week, you review for 10 minutes, then hit schedule. That's it. Beehive handles ads, delivery, and payouts in the background. 2. Faceless video channel. No camera, no mic, no personality required, just systems. Pick a niche: stoicism, space facts, tech mysteries. Use tools like InVideo AI or autoclips. Flow looks like this. AI writes script, then AI generates voice, then AI adds visuals, then AI publishes on schedule. Your job is not creating videos. Your job is choosing the niche and watching analytics once in a while. Side hustle. 3. AI stock asset library. This is digital real estate. You create once, sell forever. Use Midjourney to generate visuals, textures, abstract backgrounds, futuristic designs. Then upload everything to Wirestock. Wirestock handles tags, descriptions, distribution to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty. Every download becomes passive income. Side hustle. 4. AI automation retainers. This is where real money starts showing up. You don't sell products, you sell systems. Build automations using Zapier or Make.com. After setup, it runs on autopilot in the background. You're basically renting out software you built once. Side hustle. 5. AI print on demand. No inventory, no shipping, no stress. Use Midjourney to create designs. Sell on Etsy through Printful. Customer orders to Printful, prints to Printful, ships till you get paid. To scale it, find trending designs with tools like Everbee, generate better versions with AI upload in bulk. It's a design engine that never stops. Side hustle. 6. Social media repurposing machine. Content is everywhere. Most of it is wasted. You fix that. Take podcasts or long videos. Run them through OpusClip. It extracts viral moments, then adds captions, then formats for TikTok/Reels. Then schedule everything with Buffer. You add affiliate links in your bio. System becomes content in to clips out to scheduled posts to affiliate income in. Side hustle. 7. Digital product empire. This is pure leverage. You create once, sell infinitely. Examples: Notion templates, prompt libraries, mini ebooks. Use ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, Gumroad for selling. Then automate traffic with Pinterest tools like Tailwind. No inventory, no shipping, no limits. The real shift isn't making money with AI. It's removing yourself from the process. AI handles creation. Automation handles delivery. You handle direction. That's the new model. Not a job, not a hustle, a machine. So the question isn't, can this make money? It's, which machine are you building first?